speed's alive. There's 50. A little late, there's 60.
234, turn left cross wind, runway 7, going to be departing to the west on the downwind. Hold on. Harlem Drive, Abergrad 234, going to be departing to the north now. Last call, Harlem.
Parallel traffic, 674, you'll get over the minefield at 1,500 and we'll drop to the left downwind, runway 7, parallel.
Can you hear him? Because I sure couldn't.
I just called departing to the east.
I heard something about teardrop.
Who cares? Depart to the east.
Furlong traffic, Skyhawk 1100 on upwind, departing to the east. Furlong traffic.
Jax 2310 for Bravo, do you copy?